Okay guys, I'm going to do a video. I had a common problem that many people have. I got a Nintendo 3DS here. It hooked up to the internet, but it would not do the update to update the firmware. Kept getting stuck. I tried it at multiple locations, multiple houses, even at like a McDonald's and a Chick-fil-A. It didn't work anywhere. So anyways, looked it up on the internet, as you may have, or you may be doing it now. A couple different things. Some people, they fixed it by turning off QoS on their router, and some people just fixed it by turning off their firewall. I'm going to show you how I fixed it, and that was to go into the firewall settings. You got to log into your Verizon router, or if you have a Bright House, cable, Comcast, what have you. Just go ahead and log in, and at that point, if you you go ahead and look for something. It's going to say something like wireless settings or firewall settings, something like this. So on mine, I went ahead and went in here. It'll give you a warning, say don't change these settings. Just don't be a dummy and remember to turn them back off. I tried at first lowering the router, the settings to minimum security settings, and that did not work. It still wouldn't work at all. So there's something about the probably that it's going through NAT, the network address translation, that it doesn't like. Could be anything from packet size to maybe fragmentation. There's a million things. So what I did was I went over to the setting that said DMZ host, and on the previous screen, on the My Network screen, at least in this interface for the Verizon network, it actually will tell you which devices. It'll give them by name, like iPad, your phone, the name of your laptop, all that. So it's very easy to figure out. And then simply went into the DMZ host settings. I set the device, the Nintendo, into the DMZ zone. And you know, DMZ means that you're totally exposed to the internet for that individual IP address. On this one, it was .8. And so went ahead and added that in there, did apply, and just within maybe a minute, the update was done on the Nintendo 3DS there, and was successful. Went ahead, rebooted it, everything's working great. Just remember to go back in, reset your settings to the original. If you're really not sure, if you forgot what you changed or something like that, you could always reset your router to defaults. That would work too. But I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the check mark for the DMZ host. It shouldn't matter. I'm going to set it back to 0 the way it was at default for the last octet there. I'm going to do apply, and it should be saved now. And then of course you're going to go ahead and log out of your router, and that's pretty much it. Just one way to fix the your wireless router. So if you have any questions or any comments or anything, please leave them on the video. As always, like and subscribe if you like my videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good night.